Don't criticize.
Yeah, and that's the way we rollin', Lord. I'm rolling up some blunts in my mind and ease, sipping on some Molly with some Hennessy, and I'm rolling with Latte and a friend Denise. That's how we rollin', and you can believe what you wanna believe. And I know the marijuana can cure disease. Ask the Jamaican or Japanese, cause that's how we rollin'. Anytime we roll, every time we roll away our sorrows. And hit me with the vibes, then I come alive, and I roll one more tomorrow. Steadily thinking about my day, yeah. What people saying, boy, your eyes are red. Gotta believe in every word I say. When I keep on shouting, there's a brighter day. Rolling up a blunt. Rolling up a blunt. Rolling up a blunt, set my mind at ease. Sipping on some Molly with some Hennessy's, and I'm rolling with Latte and a friend Denise. That's how we rollin'. You can believe what you wanna believe. And I know the marijuana can cure disease. Ask the Jamaican or Japanese, cause they are rollin'. If you feel the need, you can plant a seed like roses in your garden, and watch it full of nights, make them criticize. Officer, I beg your pardon. I never regret the day that I roll while I'm locked in cruise control. I'm high as a kite, I'm feeling alright while I'm taking my evening stroll. Oh, let's put my mind at ease, sipping on some Molly with some Hennessy's, and I'm rolling with Latte and a friend Denise. That's how we rollin'. You can believe what you wanna believe, and I know the marijuana can do.
I'm a lover, I'm not a fighter. Don't try to change me, cause that's who I am. I'm a lover, I'm not a fighter. Don't try to change me, cause that's who I am. I told you once before, if I ever had to be that way, I'd rather walk out the door. Cause I don't want to live that way, cause I've been there before. And at the end of the day, when all been said and done, everything turned out so poor. Don't wanna do that anymore. I'm a man of love, and I don't think I'll ever change. I'm a man of love, and to some people it might sound strange. I'm a lover, I'm not a fighter. Don't try to change me, cause that's who I am. I'm a lover, I'm not a fighter. Don't try to change me, cause that's who I am. You see, we all go through changes. Our relationship is like a brand new page. The obstacles we face, if our love stands strong, it will not fade. What do you wanna fight? Don't you know two wrongs can make a right? You've got to understand that my love can do you wrong. Cause when it comes to loving you, for a man like me that's easy to do, I will never cause you pain, cause my heart can take the strain. I'm a lover, I'm not a fighter. Don't try to change me, cause that's who I am. I'm a lover, I'm not a...
Where do broken hearts go? Will they find their way back in the arms of the one who's waiting there for them? I wanna know where the broken heart goes. Will they find their way? Only the lonely knows the emptiness of silence. Still I hear your voice come calling, God, no, I'm not daydreaming, cause I love all that you're giving. Yes, it's sure I'm feeling. If loving you is so easy, why would I say goodbye? You're the one that knows my do's and my don'ts, my whens and my whys. Oh, I'll tell you no lie, girl. You're say goodbye.
Say goodbye.
The way you hold and squeeze me, never want to leave me. When your mama come calling, you never go running, but stick to me like glue. Just like when the love was new, with these sweet memories. Our love grows in harmony. With these sweet memories. Our love grows in harmony.
Girl, just like the candlelight. Oh, let's groove to the music. Do it right. I wanna hold your body tight. Oh, I wanna feel your movement. Come on. If any man should tell you that I'm not the guy for you, let no man separate us. Let no one come between us. Let no man separate us. We're sharing our love forever. I know your friends ain't feeling right. No, 'cause they can do what you do now. I know they can't. You know just how to hold me right. Yes, baby, you can move right through me. If anyone should tell you that I'm not the guy for you, let no one separate us. Let no man come between us. Let no one separate us. We're sharing this love forever. You know they can't.
Saturday night was our anniversary, so I made something special for my man and me. Go out of my way, do everything right. From the champagne chilling to the dim light. Put on some music, turn it way down low. Love it on the softest, we get the right flow. Put on my negligee, we have the red glow. And after all of that, the rich never show. Yo, 10 o'clock, me say it a get late. And 11 o'clock, me a contemplate. And 7 now go get vexed, me still a wait. And now watch the lateness, cause we a Jamaican. 12 o'clock when me no see him, me start to read. 1 o'clock anger turn into panic instead. Me start wonder if them robbing put a cap in him head. And feel guilty, oh my vex when the man probably dead. So me pick up my phone and start call up my friends. Jump in on my car and go circle some ends. Come back in at the house and start ball on the floor. When me hear a key in at the door, guess who? Stepping in at 2:45. Talk up, what's your story? What could I be more important than me? Talk up, what's your story? You could have deal, me I go disturb the peace. Talk up, what's your story? Somebody please, run go call the police. Talk up, what's your story? Come on now, come on now. What you have to say to me? Come on now, come on now. Yeah. Him stepping out the house, I green him 32 teeth. With some spur the moment flow, what him pick up out the street. Acting like him don't know something wrong. Somebody please sing him the first verse of the song. Bout ya, so stop down at Juicy them shop. Well 1:30 when we pass Juicy did lock. Oh you left down at Juicy and go round a borough. Well me they check this so too, and them never see you. Bout him stop down at the marketplace too and a poker. Somebody please come rescue this joker. Hate himself a fire and himself with them rope ya. All the fire brigade fi come clear up them smoke ya. There's something about man when me don't understand. Always I watch yourself in some tight little jam. Never taking the details into consideration. And always I underestimate them woman. I walk in at the house with some half-baked plan. And some very familiar lies where you pick up out a song. Honey please, you remember say me buy the berry man collection. You better come out but look at next girl pick and step in name. And a 1:03. Talk up, what's your story? What could that be more important than me? Talk up, what's it?
I wanna show you how much I adore you. I wanna show you so much that I care. I want you to know that I never hurt you. Sweet darling dear, yeah. I wanna show you how much I adore you. I wanna show you so much that I care. I want you to know that I never hurt you. Sweet darling dear. Many men been saying things, promising roses and diamond rings, trying to win you with their lying lips. But baby, that's not my style, no. What more can I do to prove to you? To let you know that I'm the man for you. Your mama love me and your daddy too. So baby, let's waste no time, no. I wanna show you how much I adore you. I wanna show you so much that I care. I want you to know that I never ever hurt you. Sweet darling dear, I wanna show you how much I adore you. I wanna show you so much that I care. I want you to know that I never hurt you. Sweet darling dear, waiting for the perfect time, the right moves and the perfect line. I've got the tool to control your mind, 'cause baby, that is my style, yeah. You know there's a chance for us, but you're stalling and it's obvious. I need a chance just to win your trust, so baby, don't waste my time, no. I wanna show you how much I adore you. I wanna show you so much that I care. I want you to know that I never hurt you. Sweet darling dear, yeah. I wanna show you how much I adore you. I wanna show you how much that I care. I want you to know that I never ever hurt you. Sweet darling dear.
You search to find a peace of mind. Still you want to start over again. I've seen you cry and I know why. Maybe it's not treating you right, but I've got what you're looking for, girl. Right here, so step into my house of love and have the fear. I promise you will never shed another tear. If you take my hand, take you to a land where we go far away, far away. When there's no more pain, there is sunshine and the rain. We'll go far away, we'll go far away. Won't you take my hand and let's go? I know in time that you will find that I am the right man for you. I know you're mine, I can see the sign. I will never treat you unkind, and I will always be there for you. I swear to give you all the love that I got.
Without you, I can't stand alone in this world on my own, defenseless in the lies. Without you, on sand I stand. I'm human that I am. There's no power without you. You bring me joy in the morning. My eyes see your glory. I know whatever might happen,
so long we've been carrying on sweet telephone lovers. Our platonic love affair has got to change. You see, in store I've got so much more on you. I wanna pour out my heart. Bring it to me, girl, let's start. So lady, it's time, put down your guard. I'm waiting, go run into my arms. We can pick up where we left off last night on the line. Relax and making me love, girl, don't you hesitate. Since for a long time I've been waiting. Yes, just making me love, girl, don't you hesitate. Bring it on me now. Relax and making me love, girl, don't you hesitate. Since for a long time I've been waiting. Yes, just making me love, girl, don't you hesitate. Bring it on me now. I can see you wanna be, girl, lying right here next to me. So let it be, set it free, come to me, lady. You're on the phone or you're paging me, girl, sending some sweet rhapsody. That's how I know you've been wanting me, yeah. So listen to your heart, don't fight it. We already know you want it. It's written in the stars, ignited. Oh baby, won't you make me yours? Well, let's just make me love, girl, don't you hesitate. Since for a long time I've been waiting. Yeah, let's just make me love, girl, don't you hesitate. Bring it on me now. Say it's just making me.
I see the sunlight through my window and feel the light. I can't wait for a lovely day. I know my blessings is before me. I will never ever complain.
I know you gonna dig
but now
this.
it's alright. Oh, you know you would be island the most online. While I sing, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a lovely day. That the name will be calling all along the way. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a lovely day. That the name will be calling each and every day. Who you know done? In everything you have to give thanks. And nobody tell me say that you no response. Please don't give up, just put up a resistance. Then everything will balance. See the now, remember say that you fi keep your joy. The teachings of it, but say you fi teach your boy. Tell them say the little love no feed this joy. Or else him a go end up like cry. We can't sing. What a beautiful morning. Oh, what a lovely day. That the name will be calling all along the way. What a beautiful morning. Oh, what a lovely day. That the name will be calling each and every day. Me up with up to remember Mother Nature. On the figure faces unto the Creator. Remember me tell you to respect the elder. Or else you don't go make it lighter. So me say, take your time and live your life and make positive choice. Them this is what you should realize. Shout the wife of all wives saying, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a lovely day. That the name of the calling each and every day. Oh, what a beautiful morning.
Don't put your trust in vanity. You never see your destiny. Live your life accordingly, yes. However it's supposed to be, yes. But remember, praise the Almighty, 'cause He will be there for thee. Don't you worry about a thing. As long as you praise Him, you're in full swing. I wanna thank you, Lord, for being there for me. Just wanna thank you, Lord. Wanna thank you. Save my soul, Heavenly Father. I wanna give thanks to my mother, my brothers and my sisters too. They all wanna say thanks to you, yes. To have you in my life, it's a blessing. I really can't bother with the stressing. Although my life is filled with sins, I need to find you deep within. I wanna thank you, Lord.